kwa sababu mazungumzo ambayo tumekuwa nayo ilikuwa ni mazungumzo ya kina, na nitaendelea sasa kusoma taarifa ambayo tumeyafikia kutokana na mkutano ambao tumefanya leo asubuhi, and I will proceed to read it in English, and then of course we will have the question and answer session later. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. The National Executive Committee, NEC, has held a lengthy meeting this morning pursuant to a notice dated 26th of April 2023. The meeting was attended by 22 of our 28 NEC members, as you can see them here, with 3 apologies of Honorable Sarah Korere, Honorable Arama, and Honorable Mrembo, who are also NEC members. On the 28th of April 2023, 2 days after the notice of this meeting was sent out, members received another notice at 6 a.m. in the morning, purportedly convening a NEC meeting at 8 a.m. the same day, on the same day. Members have deliberated at length on this and other matters, and the following are facts that have emerged. 1. That the said notice dated 28 April 2023 was irregular for the reason that it did not give the requisite 7 days notice period. In addition, it was not issued by the Secretary General as required by the party constitution. As maybe you are aware, the notice, purported notice, was given by our former party leader. 2. The purported NEC meeting did not have a quorum as provided under Article 23 of the party constitution. It had 7 members in attendance, 3 of whom are suspended pending the internal dispute resolution process that are ongoing. And the 3 are Honorable Kioni, Honorable Murade, and Mr. Kagwe, who attended the purported NEC meeting chaired by the former party leader. The former party leader, and I want to confirm, 3, that the meeting was convened and chaired by the former Jubilee party leader. 4, in the meeting, it was resolved that fake resignation letters of some of the national officials of the party be prepared and forwarded to the office of the Registrar of Political Parties. We have since learned that these fake letters were indeed submitted to the office of the Registrar of Political Parties, but were declined on the basis that such letters ought to be presented by persons alleged to have resigned. It is alleged that the chairman, our chairman, national chairman, Zuya Nelson Zuya, resigned. It was also purported that our executive director, who is here, Wamboi, had also resigned, and many other letters. The same case with our Deputy Secretary General, Joshua Mutingi. As you are aware, a notice purportedly issued by the former party leader convening a national delegates convention was published in the dailies on the 29th of April 2023. By operation of Section 6(1) of the Presidential Retirement Benefit Act, which requires that a retired president shall not hold any office in any political party for more than 6 months after ceasing to hold office as president, the former party leader ceased to hold office as the party leader of Jubilee in March 2023. Therefore, any communication from him cannot bind the party and is of no legal consequence. In light of the above, this meeting has made the following resolutions. 1. That the notice issued by the former party leader purporting to convene an NDC on the 22nd of May 2023 is hereby suspended, and the matter is referred to the Internal Dispute Resolution Committee for their further action. 2. That the former party leader misconducted himself by purporting to make official communication on behalf of the party in breach of the party constitution. 3, that the former party leader, by purporting to conduct a NEC meeting and proceeding to invite suspended officials, acted in contempt of the political party's dispute tribunal, a judgment delivered on the 19th of April 2023. 4, that the former party leader failed to promote political consultation, engagement and cooperation among its members of the party during his tenure. 5, that the matter of the misconduct of the former party leader is hereby referred to the National Disciplinary Committee of the party for their further action. 6, that the office of the party leader of Jubilee Party is hereby declared vacant. 7, that pending the convening of the Special National Delegates Convention, the Honorable Sabina Chege will be the acting party leader of Jubilee Party. 7 or 8, that the party in due course issue a notice of convening a Special National Delegates Convention pursuant to resolutions of NEC dated 10th of February 2023, signed by the Acting National Secretary General, Kanini Keba. Basically, we have had that meeting, and those are the resolutions. Unless you have any, yeah, maybe to.
Okay. Thank you. That's enough questions.
Thank you. Okay. The National Delegates Convention convened by the former President Uhuru Kenyatta, whether legal or otherwise, there are members who are going to attend that NDC. How are you going to deal with that aspect? And then there is the issue about also the coalition. You have in the past indicated that you are working with the current government, but there is the deed that you signed in the run-up to 2022 elections, the pact with Azimio la Umoja. Have you began the process of officially exiting Azimio, because by law you cannot belong to two coalitions? And is there a plan to officially sign a pact with the current regime, Kenya Kwanza?
That is a lot of fertile imagination. You all are very aware of the deliberations that we did and we held. The meeting that we held on the 10th of February, we made various resolutions. And we are in the process of implementing those resolutions. So at the opportune time, we'll be able to give that communication once we have deliberated on those matters. Finally, we want to confirm to you that that NDC will not happen because it's not properly convened. The matter has already been referred to the internal dispute resolution mechanism. Remember that the former Secretary General, Kioni, had purportedly said that he is convening through the newspaper again, that he was to convene an NDC. It did not happen. So the same fate that befell what was purported to have been given by the former Secretary General will face whatever has also been given by the former party leader, His Excellency Uhuru Kenyatta.
Requesting whether we can have briefly in Iloro for Iloro issue. Kindly, wherever you like.
Kiswahili afanye nini? Ama chairman, wacha chairman afanye kidogo kwa Kiswahili. Ngojeni kidogo, wacha chairman azungumze kidogo kwa Kiswahili. Kiswahili please. Wacha chairman aseme kidogo. Wacha chairman Mutava.
Niongeze kidogo tu basi kwa lugha ya Kiswahili na niseme ya kwamba asubuhi ya leo tumekutana kama kamati kuu ya chama na mimi mwenyewe ndio nimeongoza mkutano huu kuthibitisha ya kwamba mimi sijajiuzulu kama mwenyekiti wa chama hiki cha Jubilee. Na ni jambo la kusikitisha sana ya kwamba aliyekuwa kiongozi wetu ama kinara wetu alifanya mkutano na wakajaribu kufanya ukora ya kuandika mabarua ya kwamba mimi kama mwenyekiti nimejiuzulu na pamoja na executive director wetu. Hilo ni jambo la kusikitisha na tutachukua hatua zile ambazo zina kubalika. Kama mlivyoelezewa, tumepitisha masuala mengi sana, tumekubaliana kwa pamoja na tukasema ya kwamba sisi kuanzia leo tumemteua Mheshimiwa Sabina Chege kuwa acting party leader ama kinara wa chama, tukingojea mkutano mkuu ule ambao tutapeana ilani ya siku gani tutaufanya. Na tumepitisha masuala mengi sana hapa ambapo mmeelezewa, lakini kile kitu ambacho nilikuwa nataka kusema ni kwamba sisi kama chama cha Jubilee tunafuata katiba ya chama chetu. Unakumbuka ya kwamba baada ya kufanya mkutano wetu kule Nakuru tarehe 10 mwezi wa pili, walienda kule PPDT na kesi ile ikasikizwa, maamuzi yakatoka, na maamuzi ya koti ile walisema ya kwamba turudi hapa tena kwa chama tuweze kusuluhisha mizozo ile ambayo tunayo. Lakini ni jambo la kusikitisha ya kwamba hawaheshimu ile koti ya PPDT. Aliyekuwa kinara wetu anaenda kutangaza mikutano mingine, anafanya mikutano na watu ambao wamekuwa suspended. Kwa hivyo tunasema ya kwamba ni watu ambao hawaheshimu sheria. Sisi tuko hapa, hii ni timu yote ya kamati kuu ya chama, na mumeelezwa kati ya wanachama 28, 22 wako hapa. Sasa nyinyi wenyewe mjiulize, hii chama iko pande gani? Yeye aliitana mkutano na akawa na watu 6. Kati ya hao 6, 3 wamefurushwa kwa chama. Kwa hivyo tunataka kusema sisi ya kwamba tunaheshimu na tunafuata katiba, na kila kitu tunafanya ni kulingana na katiba yetu ya chama. Na hivi karibuni tutawatangazia ni lini tutafanya ule mkutano mkuu ambao tutaweza kuthibitisha wale ambao watashikilia nyadhifa mbalimbali za chama. Kwa hivi sasa ile komiti ya disciplinary ya nidhamu inaendelea, na tunataka tufuate hiyo mpaka tupate maamuzi. Asanteni sana.
Makiama neki twikoragwo iri na ajumbe 28 no muthi tuma na ajumbe 22 tuma na apologies ya atatu uri gukwira atiriri ati mwena uyu witu ri niguo wina andu aria aingi no muthi twahitukia maundu maingi. Wa mbere twahitukia ati mucemanio uria wetitwo ni uria wari mutongoria witu wa kiama gitu kia Jubilee, uria wari president wa kana his excellency Uhuru wa Kenyatta. Mucemanio ucio mekire ti mucemanio wakinyanirie ikiro tondu na ndwakinyitie quorum, wari kinya na andu marutitwo ite-ini, na ti mucemanio wahitukirio kuringana na katiba gaitu. Wa keri kuringana na watho uria uhitukitio kuria bunge ugete atiriri watiga giti gia president thutha wa mieri 6 ni ubataire gukorwo ugitiga giturwa kiria giothe wina kio kia uteti, na mieri 6 kuma riria mugathe Uhuru aumire giti-ini ni urari mweri-ini wa gatatu. Koguo kuma mweri wa gatatu Uhuru ni atigire president wa kana ni atigire gukorwo ari mutongoria mwitu wa kiama kia Jubilee. Koguo ndangita mucemanio no mwe, ndangikara ari chairman kana aituike ati niwo gutabarira mucemanio ono mwe. Na wa keri notethi iria aheanire gwita mucemanio munene wa ameba a kiama kia Jubilee kuringana na watho ndetikiritio, ona korwo no epate leader ndetikiritio, mundu uria wetikiritio gwita mucemanio na kuga nginya mucemanio ucio niho gakorwo ni mwandiki munene wa kiama, na kuringana na watho na maundu maria mahitukitio na nginya ciro uria watuirwo nie ni secretary general wa kiama gitu twendete kia Jubilee. Na ithenya-ini riake kamiti ya nekini yahitukia uga atiriri Mheshimiwa wa Sabina wa Chege niwe ugukorwo aikarire giti gwa kahinda nginya riria tugakorwo na National Delegates Convention iria igakorwo igithura no ugukorwo ari mutongoria wa kiama gitu kia Jubilee. Wa keri ni tuga atiriri ni undu wa mitugo na migendere ya uria urari party leader witu ri na gukorwo agita andu kamiti-ini kana gwita mucemanio atabatire gukorwo agita ri ndeto yothe ni atwarwo kuri kamiti iria iroraga migendere na mitugo ya andu a kiama gitu. Koguo nya gukorwo akiandikirwo marua nigetha onake akorwo agithii mbere ya kamiti-ini iyo. Ithuĩ nĩ turauga atiriri na tukorania atiriri, ithuĩ nĩ ithuĩ twari thirikari-ini, twari na makiria ma ambunge 175 thirikari iyo irahitukire, no muthi uyu ri wina ambunge 28 niho tureuria atiriri kari haha mbunge yagitereire muriga, na niho heragwo riria thamaki yatua gukorwo ikibutha yambagĩria na kũndũ kũngĩ thamaki ĩngĩambĩrĩria kũbugana yambagĩrĩria na mũtwe na nĩkĩo tuoya makinya macio tondũ nĩ ithuĩ tũrĩ wabici ũndũ ũrĩa wakĩka na niona tuli kuo haya ni party leader au ni deputy party leader au ni chairman wa council of business people au mozitete ni deputy party leader au ni party leader wito au ni we nake leader wa kuria senate na ni ukuona nake wambu ni we executive director kiama gitu ni gigukorwo githii na mbere wega na kiama gitu ni gikurugama wega no gatu kanini kariho na kau ni gatutuka tukubanga
nä ngwenda kwä ra o andå aitå kumagia gä thurano gä kwo å rä a å rarä må tongoria wa kä ama gitå ndarä eta må cemanio na å mwe gwä ta mbunge arä a macagå rä u å gakä rigwo atä rä rä ona hao tondå nä tå rakå hete na bathi ä yo rä ona kwa atä må thenya å mwe no å ikare thä å nyue cai na andå aku arä a macagå ndarä eka å guo rä u rä no kä ona ingiuga å rä a nekieka å må thä nä kå geria kuona atä nä atä tå gwä ka kä ama gä tigakue kana gä tikendie tondå mä thiä rä inä mä nene ya må tongoria å cio tå ronaga maå ndå maingä make akä aria no aririe å horo wa azimio tå taramenya kana nä endaga gå twara kä ama thiä agakä na kå u no ithuä tå rauga kä ama gä kä gä kå rå gama na gä kå rå gama na rä gå tå ra
njuge mucemanio uria urari mutongoria witu arekirite ngatheti-ini na agetana mucemanio ucio ndugukorwo ugithii na mbere tondu one ndari hinya ucio wa gwita mucemanio wa keri ndari giti-ini na wa gatatu ndanahuthira mitaratara iria iri tu gatiba-ini gaitu uguo niguo kubataire gukorwo gukibotwo nigetha mundu ate mucemanio koguo nitukwenda twire amemba itu matikagie na haho nitukumanirira muthenya uria tugakorwo twina National Delegates Convention na tugathie kurio kuria macinani nigetha tumete na tumere ni magoka tondu decisions kana matua maria mothe magakorwo magĩtuo nio magakorwo magĩtuo.